Hi there, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today it's just a quick video to show you that you can get two different things working on the one screen. So if you have a look up there, this is a Samsung TV 4K, and at the moment on the left hand side I've got my Xbox One working, and then on the right hand side I've got the PlayStation 4 working. Now this is using PIP, which is picture in picture. The problem with picture in picture is normally you can only have one source working, like HDMI, and then it has to be a TV station on the right hand side. But if you convert the PlayStation to a TV station, then you can fool the TV into giving you two different HDMI sources. So if you have a look here now, if I get the remote control, you can see that this is BBC One, BBC Two, and these are all digital TVs. But then if I go to this channel here, it comes up as analog TV. And that's what we've done. We've just converted the PlayStation signal into an analog TV signal by using this here. So it comes out of the PlayStation in HDMI, it gets converted to analog via composite, which is the yellow, white and red connectors. They go into this RF modulator here, so they go into here, and then they convert that composite signal into RF, and then this travels down here and it goes into the TV at the back there. And so what we have is we have all the digital channels coming in here, the Freeview channels, and then just one analog channel and all the digital channels going out again. And that's how we can fool the TV into showing us picture in picture with two HDMI sources. Doesn't have to be Xbox and PlayStation, it can be any combination you want. Now if you want a longer video on this, I have done a long one where I go into a lot more detail, so please watch that and hopefully you will find it interesting. Thanks very much for watching, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care, bye now.